are recording, aren't you?
I am recording.
I couldn't tell, but there's a timer right here.
There's a timer. Ow, ow.
What do you mean, ow?
Ow. Right, but then think about it though, because they can surround us on either ends, especially when the spawn's right there.
Well, we can go half and half.
Okay, here's the idea. Consolidate at the main fort first.
Yeah, and then we can move forward.
Hey, buddy, you don't have a GoPro. No.
GoPros have nothing to do with it.
Listen, I am the captain now. All right.
Look at me.
Alright guys, get ready!
Oh boy.
Consolidate at the fort first.
Alright, you ready to jog?
Ready to jog, jog. Go, go, go! My chest rig is humping me. To the fort! Ben, going left! Go down. Hi, hi, hi. Watch out for all the cracks.
Yeah.
I think, listen, we could go around the back and flank from the other side, you know what I mean? Red team, move up, come on!
They're around the back, they're around the back.
They're around the back.
Okay, we got fire coming in from this direction on top of
Watch out from the back. I think, AJ,
Yes,
I think we should team go back and a team go forward.
okay. It is so hot, dude.
If you want to go forward, that would be good for you. I'm going to go
Okay.
with this guy.
Alrighty.
Go help him forward.
Want to help me forward? Give me cover fire on the doors. I'm going to the logs in front of us.
I gotta reload.
Got it, far right tower! Far right tower! Moving up! Far right tower, careful. Gun hit! Okay, watch that door, front door, front door. Front door. Someone got the front door!
All I can say is move up!
Move up, go, red team! Watch the upper right tower. Someone's toe. Hey, what's the situation over here?
No, I just got here.
All right. We got a guy in the tower. Oh.
We got friendlies here.
Take this.
Go in. Oh, I can't.
Upper right tower. Oh, hit. Got hit. No. Can we go up? Is there somebody up there?
Yeah, we're a few.
What?
Somebody up in that tower?
I don't know. I mean, yeah, friendly.
Okay.
Yeah. I think they would have shot us all by now. Just go in. Just go in. Just go in. No, he's out there. I can't. I would go in. But
Go, go, go! Red team, moving the fort! Get down. Get back. Go. Take the side. Take the sides. Red team is taking the capital. Over. Red team is taking the capital. Over. Okay, we got people inside the little door right in front of me. People got like little fort in front of me, but this is good. We have one of the main objectives. Watch the middle. Watch the tower. Ben, you copy? Over.
Yeah, I hear you.
I'm currently in the top right tower, holding it down. We got enemies at the metal tower and enemies to our left. Over.
Alright, got it. I just respawned. I'm coming back now.
Roger that. If you want to hit him from the front, that might be a good idea because we have him distracted. Over.
Yep, do that.
Got one. Okay. Hey guys, we need to start pushing forward.
All right.
Hey, guide the van, guide the van. Take your time, man. You're good. Would a speed loader be helpful?
Yeah, probably. I've never used one. Also, this is my first time.
Easy. Here, look. Shake it and then press the thing down, alright?
Oh no. My battery.
Take your time. There you go. Alright, you want to stay here and call out positions? I'm going to move down, alrighty? Alright. Coming through. Alright, so we have the fort pretty well, huh?
Yeah, I mean, once in a while the guys pop out.
Right,
tower,
right.
But you can't reach them like this guy.
Which guy?
Catwalk.
Oh,
tree,
up there? Okay.
in his head.
But we can
Right
definitely,
under the
hey,
catwalk.
we're going to start leapfrogging forward, okay? Ben, status, over.
Right behind the tree.
Hey. So we're thinking of leapfrogging forward. They're making a big plank down the hill.
Okay.
We totally need, if we die, we totally need to get people to attack from the front because they're exposed right now, and that would cause a lot of confusion for them. So, but I'm happy we have the fort right now. That's the big thing.
Yeah.
So, you want to try to leapfrog forward? Like go shift right?
We can try to leapfrog.
Leapfrog, all right. All right, guys, hey, spread out. Don't forget to spread out. Watch enemies down the hill. Down the hill. All right. There's a bunch of people behind the catwalks, so.
I said we go around this way.
Go around this way? All right, let's try it. Radio's working, it seems, a little bit.
Yeah, you know what? I think my mic sometimes gets off.
Well, the other thing, my thing, you know, doesn't always work too.
All right, there's a guy at the tower.
Yeah, there's a bunch of people at the tower. Whoa, watch fire. Watch, bam, 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 move. Hey, red team, we're going to try to leapfrog forward, okay? From cover to cover. All right,
Probably these logs.
yeah. Catwalk, up in the tower of the catwalk, tower catwalks. Up in the tower. All right, guys, come on, leapfrog. Go to cover, cover to cover. Help suppress each other. Logs, red logs. They're all around the tower. Red team, we need to make a front assault. There you guys, good guys, good. Leapfrog, leapfrog.
Do you have any guys in the fort right now?
Yes, we got a bunch of people in there right now if you want to go over there. Hey, you on channel 5? You able to hear us?
Huh?
You on channel 5?
I'm on 15.
Oh, okay. We'll switch later. You have no mag in, by the way.
I know I did.
Okay.
I'm waiting for one of my buds to resupply me.
Okay. All right, sound good. Yeah, just always fall back to the tower if need be.
Okay.
All right. Hey, do you guys want to go right to the platform? Ben, you want to lead people to that platform over there? Use the smoke to our advantage, red team! Use smoke to our advantage! Oh, good running, good running. All right, we're going to be the center of attention. Let's grab their attention and use the smoke, all right?
They're pushing over here.
Yep. Got one.
Watch left side. He's not calling me shit. Wow.
Oh, shoot, my mic fell. We have people right next to the tower. Get moving, over.
Come quick.
Just watch out in all directions. There's probably people in the catwalks. Hot mics are so annoying. Ben's intensive. Ben! Check your mic!
I thought I turned it off. I didn't. Sorry.
You're good. All right, once I can figure out where to put this.
Watch left side. Watch left.
Oh, you got left?
Watch the left side, guys. They keep on left.
Okay. Look. Just want to put this away. The tower honestly seems empty at the moment. Like,
I think we're just trying to get closer. There's over there.
yeah, there's definitely people trying to flank over there. But if we could take the tower, we could interrupt their respawns and just bounce back and forth, you know? Okay. I'm honestly going to try to push forward. Do you want to suppress me? I'm going to the logs that are to your left. Actually, Ben's going there right now. Good push, Ben. All right. Yep, you're fine. Okay. There's a guy in your line of sight. Look. Can you see him?
Integrity up there.
Yeah, he's not looking at us.
No, okay. Get him. Nice. Ben, you want me to suppress you? You can try to move up to the logs in front of you? Call it. Whenever you're ready.
Last mag.
Okay. Oh, we got a guy up there. Hey, watch your right. Dude, we are owning it. Oh, okay, he got hit from somewhere. Probably down the hill. We can't see down there.
Should I move up from around that way?
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. You gonna go? Okay. 3.
Oh, no,
Wait, they're at the tank. Ben, they're at the tank.
Nice, you got him.
Okay. Ben's going in. Ben's in.
Alright, I'm moving up to
Okay, go there. Go.
Wait, no. I'm inside.
He's in. Where? Oh, yeah, I see it. Get him. Nice shooting. Okay, they're all in front of us, up in like the little hills, but we should push forward because,
push the tower.
yeah.
I'm gonna crawl up.
Ben, careful. Oh, you're out? Okay. Oh, right in the tower, You want to go up there and bang them? Yeah, there's one in the tower. I'm basically scaring them. So
I'm gonna try to.
you're gonna rush the ramp?
Yeah.
You're probably gonna get shot. Just saying.
No, because Brad has that angle clear.
Okay, yeah. Go now then. Red team, watch the fort!
Mine watch that. I'll watch that then.
Get down.
AJ, what's the situation?
Hey, let's go clear from that side.
We have the radio tower over. We have people in the rafters of the radio tower over.
Nice job.
Listen, we're in full defense mode. We need people at the radio tower, and then we just need people to stay back at the fort to cover the flank. Over.
Tell them it's okay to push. There's no one out there.
Alright, I'm actually getting to the main tower to make sure we're all right, and I'll start heading left.
Roger that. I'm going to hold here and just let people know what's going on. Over.
Alright, got it. Keep safe, my friend.
Semper Fi, senpai. Alright guys, we need to hold this position. Uh-oh. Reg team, watch your right, watch your right. How's the house down there looking?
I mean, there's only like one or two that's coming out.
Okay, these people are getting out, so I think there's people down there. But we have a good handling on everything right now, so. And if we need be at the very last minute, we can rush the fort from here. Hey guys, watch in front of the tank. Watch the front of the tank. Watch in front. Hit, good shot. Ben, what's your position? Over.
Left side of the tower, we got some people down the valley.
Okay, I'm out, so I'm just going to spectate for fun. Over.
They're way left. They're coming way left.
1 minute left in the game. 1 minute.
1 minute. Everybody hold strong. Over.
10 seconds. Alright, that is game. Game over.
Game over. Game over. I was waiting for you to do something cool. I was recording. I saw you running. You're like, oh no!
Yeah, that was bad. Like, brand new mag too.
Oh,
But
that's so
you can't,
annoying.
you know, CO2. What can you do?
Yeah, that was funny. I was just like, oh, I'm gonna get this guy. Just
Good
record
game
him.
there, man.
Yeah, that's
Your
good.
team really kicked our ass.
Yeah, honestly, we just managed to get that, and then we just pushed over there.
That's
That
like
was
I'm trying
good.
to tell people. Like, if you don't get to the fort,
Yeah, seriously, it was the fort. Oh, someone's gonna want
yeah,
this.
that fell off of mine.
Oh, it's yours? Oh,
Yeah, just coming back for it. I'm like, screw it. I might as well fight while I'm coming back.
yeah, good pistol. All right, good job, guys. I'm not what?
You're not photogenic. I'm calling you ugly.
How dare you? Funny, Private. Boom.